Dun, dun, dun. It's the Big Pocket Soft Animals Toy Storage from Honeyera. Honeyera sent this to me in exchange for my honest opinions. Let's open it up. Hanging clips. Look how easily these sticks go together. They're not really very bendy, which is great because it means that this thing is not going to sag under a lot of weight. This is actually a very stiff material. And it's got these plastic or rubber caps on the end. Here we've got Honeyera's information. Honeyera sends little stickers along with it. So I think these stickers are adorable. How fun. Presumably these are going to be used for kids, although I can think of uses for me to use this product. You don't need any tools to put this together. Check out how big this is. Oh my. All right, let me show you some of the finer details of this. So these are strips of felt here. This is where you open it up and I'm just gonna slide each rod in. This is nice thick felt. This is going to be super strong. This hold here, I'm not worried about any issues there. All right, first one's in. Are we ready? Let me see how tall this is. It's like as tall as me. Impressive. Let me give you an up close look at the materials they use here. It's a nice strong mesh. This is sort of an elastic hem here. Look how wide out these go. The bottom pocket is massive, so that means it's going to be perfect for giant stuffies and, you know, squishmallows. These grommets, there's like a stiff sort of bar in here that's going to give this structure. I love it. Nice, beautiful blue color, high quality materials. All that's left to do is hang this on the door, start filling it up. What do you guys think? Would you hang this on your door? Let's go check it out.